Welcome back, Watch fam. Today we're diving into a piece that doesn't just tell time, it transports you through it. This is the Seagull Bilingual Day-Date Calendar Dress Watch, a modern reinterpretation of one of Seagull's iconic 1970s bestseller. If you love heritage design blended with contemporary craftsmanship, this one is going to have to be considered for one of your collections. As soon as you crack open the box, you're greeted with a Chinese to English instruction manual and an unmistakable Seagull presentation, clean, elegant, and premium without trying too hard. The watch sits confidently in the center, and the moment you lift it, you feel that 316L stainless steel solidity. It's compact at 38 millimeters, but with a 48.5 millimeter lug to lug, it has real wrist presence. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know this is one of my favorite things to do, is take the plastic off new watches. So this watch pays homage to the original Seagull 1970s bestseller, blending timeless elegance with contemporary flair. The first thing that grabs you is that modern triangular fluted bezel, a meticulously crafted detail that adds sophistication and rugged charm. And that bezel is awesome. And then you move to the bracelet. It's got a finish and it's polished on the sides. You see the Seagull logo plus the name on the clasp. And one of the unique features of this watch is the date window. Now this is a bilingual date window located at the 3 o'clock position. But you can see the hour and minute hand moves smooth. And this is the day. You see it rotate. Now here's the awesome part of this watch. That's right. The day is in Chinese and English. Chinese and English. This is awesome. See, it switches fast. So whatever you set it for, it'll stay English, or you can have it on Chinese and it's going to stay Chinese. That is a unique feature in this watch. That's why it's called the bilingual day-date. And it has a screw down crown. You push it down and you know your watch is watertight. Now let me show you the movement detail. Flip the watch over and the magic continues. Through the transparent case back, you'll see the ST2100 high frequency automatic movement beating at 28,800 vibrations per hour. It's equipped with 28 jewels, ensuring smooth operation and long-term stability. What really stands out are the 3 distinct finishing patterns, a showcase of Seagull's in-house mastery. Since 1955, Seagull has been one of the world's largest mechanical movement manufacturers, producing everything from reliable automatics to complex tourbillons and minute repeaters. This watch is a reminder of that legacy. Let's get into bracelet details now. The integrated Great Wall-inspired blue brick bracelet is a highlight. It's rugged yet elegant, with a natural drape that hugs the wrist comfortably. This bracelet is clean, elegant, and premium without trying too hard. This bracelet is stunning with its smooth lines, and the push button hidden clasp keeps the silhouette clean. At 20 millimeters wide and 19 centimeters long, it fits most wrists with ease. And here there's the push button. See how smooth the lines are on this bracelet. Now with my wrist, I will have to remove 3, maybe 4 links from the bracelet. I think it'll have to be either 3 or 4 though. But it's easy with the tool they give you to remove the links. You see the logo on the crown, the logo and name right at the clasp. This is just a beautiful, beautiful watch. The Rolex inspired bezel. This is really a clean looking, elegant watch. And when you're looking at the dial, you're met with advanced brush finishing that gives off a cool, refined aesthetic. And then you have the crystal, the synthetic scratch resistant crystal, and the polished bezel. Super clean. You probably do a lot of wiping because it will get fingerprints, but you wipe it off. It's a beautiful watch. Look at this watch. You see the machine finish look mixed with the polished finish on the bezel and the case. You have the polished double clasp buttons. This is just a beautiful watch. And telling time at night will not be a problem because you have the lume hour markers plus the lume hour hand and minute hand. And it glows at night. It's easily to read. You can see here. And it's not too much lume. It's just enough for you to tell time. And the wrist presence. This watch feels really good on the wrist. It's not too heavy. And it actually could be worn by a female because it's not too bulky and it's giving unisex vibes. So it will look good on either wrist. And every tilt of this dial gives you a different shimmer. Now the sunburst pattern radiates beautifully, catching light in a way that feels both vintage and modern. And the 316L stainless steel bracelet with the Great Wall inspired design paired with the ST2100 high frequency automatic movement beating at 28,800 BPHs. Purchasing this watch is a no-brainer. This is an elegant watch. And I will have the link in the description box for you to pick you up one for the collectors, or if you just want a nice gift to give somebody, male or female, you will not miss with this watch. And if you're thinking about your wallet, this is where Seagull really flexes. You're getting in-house movement manufacturing, refined finishing, Eastern aesthetic blended with modern watchmaking technology, and a design rooted in genuine heritage, all at a highly competitive price point. This is accessible luxury done right. For collectors and newcomers alike, it's simply an intelligent choice. So if you're into watches that combine history, craftsmanship, and everyday wearability, the Seagull Bilingual Day Date calendar dress watch deserves a spot on your radar, and maybe even on your wrist. Drop your thoughts below. Let me know what watch you want to review next. And as always, stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one, watch fam. And remember, stay timeless.